Fucking drunk. I can't holler. No women with these niggas.
Hey, look.
Hey, I'm finna get the fuck on away from. Hey, I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow.
What size you wear?
He gonna come to the truck, show you where the stash box at, and put that hammer in there, cause ain't neither one of y'all got no records, so y'all straight. Just be cool while you driving and shit, but y'all straight.
Yeah.
Even got hair on and shit about it. Y'all know what's up, man.
Be down in a few
get the shoe where it need to be, and we get where we need to be. There was a time we ain't had shit, my nigga. Not shit. I had a Taurus while y'all nigga had PlayStation 2s and shit. But I'm in the club the other night, dog. In that red leather and shit. We run the store real quick before we get going there, right? Get a chance to right? People coming in now, they coming in everywhere, man. It's G2G, Ratchet Boi Entertainment all out here right now, man. We got this motherfucker doing it the same way folks be down. Real nigga shit. Everybody, my whole clique look rich as fuck. Nigga now Ferrari Jack. Nigga now Ferrari Jack. Nigga now Ferrari Jack.
You already know we get money on each side, baby. You already know. I got everything, D, whatever you want. Look, hit me at 307-0321. We keep it popping over here, baby. Real. Black.
That's how the Ratchet Boi do, man. You see that? The Ratchet Boi, man. We out here supporting that motherfucking G2G. Where you see that? Man. That's how we do it, man. Real nigga shit, man. Real live music, man. This shit for the streets, man. We is the streets, man. If you don't know about us, you don't know about us, man. That's what we doing, man. You already know, MOB, man.
MOB to the motherfucking death, man.
DSBeats.com. I'm back home. You ain't never seen a nigga cop a whole chicken, break that bitch down and flip it. Now I'm back home. Ride through my city, got the Ratchet Boys with me. If you want me, come and get me.
This is on the 1080, 1080. This is the hood right here, 5 Point Station. This is the east side of High Point. You see the Ratchet Boi Entertainment, nigga, we in here. Look what we doing now. We get money the long way. And niggas didn't believe they had it fucked up. We do that. Yo, we ain't even made it to the club yet. When I get to the club, boy, I have more money on me. We ain't made it to the club. Tell me when them 100 stops, 1080.
Choppers on deck. If it's drama, then I'm real. Then I drop on my respect.
You had a cool time and hop on college. I was giving my due time. Thank you for knowledge. We live in a new time. And ain't no apology. Whoever got a problem with assault rifle silencing, SK plastic. I'm from 5 Points, bastard. The rap game master. The dope game faster. We gon' call the boy Brown. The cocaine Casper. First I'm about money and everything after. That's right. You can hear me crying, it's disguised in my laughter. Everything funny, but ain't nothing funny. What? What you thought was a game came dead serious. Now niggas airing it. 100 rounds will never miss. Henny on any stomach, burn like devil piss. Burn, baby, burn on my east side rebel shit. Red flag, dead ass, really about to kill a shit. I took take a whole ass if I had to kill a bitch. Legit, who you dealing with? Y'all got me fucked up. I'm back from the dead and the stitch on me scuffed up. Back wearing red, 6 bodies in the dump truck. Heard what I said, see the shotty, then it's tough luck. Killers born and bred where me and Lil Black from. I'm a little motherfucker, but I got a big black gun. Motherfucker, black what? Pussies getting smacked up. Is you being hard work? Wifey getting snatched up? You niggas minimal. You 2-shot derringers. They got shit at Chuck E. Cheese. Reputation scary, y'all. Fuck you, I'm daring y'all. My soul just prepared to bless. I know you don't fear nothing. You better be scared of us. Never scared, hella dead. The ground to hold another court. Tell what you want, but the streets is how I'm holding court. Tell what you like. I bring the banger when I fight. It was already rumored. Now it came to the light. Legit, nigga. Fuck this shit.
Oh yeah. That's what it is. Yeah, Ratchet Boi Entertainment, y'all already know what it is, man. Get it right up with motherfucking life, man. This how we do it. We finna show out for the night, man. I just got that hold the horse ride with us, man. It'll be a hell of a night.
Definitely by everything I rap about.
This is the year
definitely. Don't leave the house without your gun, definitely. You get it poppin' when it's on, definitely. You bout big things, shit, definitely. You bout that like that you be rapping, definitely. You really seen it when they happen, definitely. That mean no actions automatic, definitely. I say exactly what I mean, definitely. Definitely, I'm about big things. When I lay the pipe, I can make a big scream. I be making movies, put her on a big screen. And when she ask for paper, tell her help her bitch, please. On my day-to-day, real hammers get squeezed. I ain't never gave a fuck about the police. I'm so real, even though a nigga don't bleed. And if you think I do, be the one who show me. I be low-key, I'm a fucking OG. In my trap house, we ain't got no seats. If you G up, you don't do no beefing. Cause you hunt them down, map it out and go see them. Definitely keep it hot until it's no sleeping. Cause if you fuck niggas beefing with the most people, I'm legit, bitch, not because I'm living legal. Check my resume, everything I'm official. You move and walk out where you from, definitely. Don't leave the house without your gun, definitely. You get it poppin' when it's on, definitely. You bout big things, shit, definitely. You bout that like that you be rapping, definitely. You really seen it when they happen, definitely. That mean no actions automatic, definitely. I say exactly what I mean, definitely.
Crack addicts, meth addicts, and cash addicts. Back tragic, black mans and I being ratchet. Duct taper, black bag 'em and toe tagging. You just jumping off the porch, bitch, I been at it. Think about this trap shit, never been a broke nigga. Graduated from nickel and dime since a young nigga. Wasn't wrong in my lane, bitch, you got the wrong nigga. Kept about that like a loaded spin attack and two trigger. Check my resume, definition of a hood nigga. Catch me where I lay, I wish a motherfucker would, nigga. Casualties and casualties, nigga, I cause the casualty. I'm rapping where I live, motherfucker coming after me. The type of nigga that'll hit the top and blood the whole city. All about my honeys, make a play, nothing less to fit.
I better get mine. Jump to me something. Can't tell me nothing. It's resting on your head. They wanna put the difference between me and you. I would never trust her, and she tell me that the difference between me and you is drop his head, saw me in the bed. Bitch, you guilty until proven. She wanna fuck with me so she can get that. Oh, I ain't stupid, I ain't crazy, my bitch. Fuck you mean? And I ain't talking spine, no murder break, but I heard you say that you and me. You see the difference here, that'll never be. I swear they phony, they try to clone me. Get ready, came on my Ray Band. I told the ATM to feed me 20, but that's all you can get when you can blend it. Use the hoe. And I saw myself power sign music, bro. Cause I'm justice. I'm a CEO of the game, and they hate cause I'm successful. For myself, I made a name. Niggas saying they better help me, but they real all the same. And I finally realized that these niggas just wanna see me down, wanna see me fall. Forgot everything, shout to the same head. These niggas pure pussy. I see it in they faces. Looking on these niggas like I'm smoking weed on probation. Don't ask me if I'm with them. I be with them Haitians. And I'm pushing hell number 3 in the nation. Everybody got the beat, oh my God, it's crazy. I'm still going crazy. That shit bad, man. Oh my sister, let's let me pop up. Around in the ghost call it Pat Swayze. Your mama didn't know when you was pushing it. Niggas no keyboard, but I'm back spacing. No questions, I love that faces. If it don't make money, then it don't make. Bring it home and they stink cause they on nation. And don't get hit, nigga. I ain't thick. nigga. See, I'm a rich nigga, but I spray. I got me on 6 figures, my click bigger than a KKK. Ain't shit, nigga, we ain't with nigga. You say you killed nigga, but you ain't killed nigga. I'm a real nigga. Let me tell you how it is, nigga. These niggas try to come in your face to see what's going on. And they be the same one to take off with it. They say that lame bitch straight, and she ain't hurt for nothing. That same nigga hating, got to work in Southern Cal. I'm employed by Rich Homies, ain't got work no more. I can't put Rich Homies on my shirt no more. I gotta pay for my attention, ain't gon' hurt this flow. Every chance I'm with them, I tell my niggas that we gon' hurt no more, yeah. I was up all night counting the Benjamin. Haters eavesdropping, said they saw me in the pen. Bitch, you guilty until proven innocent. She wanna fuck with me, so she